Hello everyone, welcome to Valucop. So today we're going to learn 5 crypto jobs mistakes that you must avoid in 2022. Now, Valucop teaches you on how to get crypto jobs. That is beyond just applying on different job websites. We show you how to start from no experience in crypto jobs and how to gain experience and how to get and secure those jobs. So today, let's look at 5 crypto job mistakes you must avoid in 2022. Number 1 of it is every day is a bank account and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We've got 24 hours each, and that's the very truth. We've all got 24 hours each day, and what we do with our 24 hours depends on the results it's going to give us. So the first thing is no skill. The first mistake that you should avoid is no skill. Now, you'll be asking the question, how would you don't know crypto, how are you going to get a job? Obviously, you don't have a skill. Now, the first thing I always teach my class, my paid community, is that we have to start with what you already know. What is that one thing that you already know? Then you build your skill in it, or you look out for, you Google about it, and then find a skill and learn. Now, if you complain that you don't have any skill in this day and age, then you are lazy, because there are different skills you can execute comfortably from your smartphone. We're talking about content writing, we're talking about graphic design using Canva, we're talking about several community management, social media manager. You can do all of those things from the comfort of your smartphone. So if you say you don't have a skill, then you are lazy, because in this day and age we have different resources. We have YouTube, we have the internet where you can learn from, and then we have different educational platforms, different educational communities that you can pay to learn and get coached in different skill. Nobody was born with any special skill. Each of us that are doing 1 or 2 skills is because we gave time to learn them. So you get a skill. Do not make a mistake and say, oh, you don't have a skill, that's why you can't get a crypto job this year. Now, next one is not researching about the job or the company. Don't make this mistake in 2022. If you peradventure you apply for a job and you were opportuned to get scheduled for an interview, make sure you browse about the company. And then if you're about to apply for a job, make sure you find out details about the job, like, can you fit into that job role? Do you have the skills to apply for that job role? What extra stuff can you learn to bring in on that job role? Don't just jump into any job and just apply for any job. I'm not a part of the persons who advises people to go look for just any job and apply. You must have at least some sort of skill set or part of what is needed for that job role, because nobody employs a liability. People look at what you can do first before they bring you on board. So don't just go and apply for anything. Make sure you have an idea of the job you're applying for, and make sure that you have something within a skill set or something you have to offer within that job roles and responsibility. And before you attend any interview, make sure you must have read about the company and check the job role you applied for. What can you do in that capacity to improve the company? Because that is what you will sell during your interview. Next mistake you should avoid is not improving on your skill. Now, some persons know how to have a particular skill set, and that skill set was probably relevant in 2020, but in 2022 you need to add more to be able to meet up with the demanding trends and times. Things are moving so fast, things are changing so fast. So if you don't improve yourself, if you don't get better at your skill, there's so many persons that you will be replaced with. Do not make that mistake of remaining where you are. Always improve on your skill. Get better at what you do. Add something extra to what you can offer. Add an extra value. Expand your skill set. Expand your capacity. Get better at what you do. Don't just remain where you were in 2021. This is 2022. Add a course to those plans of the year. Now, next thing that, not one mistake again you must make sure you don't make in this year is no experience. Now, for some persons, they'll be like, okay, I know how to write, I can manage a community, but I don't have a crypto experience. Come on. This is not the age and the time for you to give the no experience excuse. There are so many companies that you can go to and tell them, please, can I intern with you and gain experience? Or you apply for, in crypto space, there are internship opportunities, there are ambassadorship opportunities, there are places you can volunteer to work or to just gain experience. If you gain 1 or 2 experiences, that's enough to land a job. Don't say you don't have an experience. You can gain experience. It's just at these days, many persons have this I want to make money mentality before they even think about the value they can offer. In Valucop, we consider giving value first. Think about the value you offer first before you think about the money you'll be paid. Nobody will pay you for a value you didn't offer. They pay you based on the value you can offer. So don't say you don't have an experience when there are so many companies that will accept you to intern for them, do ambassadorship role for them, or even work as a volunteer, and you earn stipends. Earning now is not the focus right now, but given the next few months, next 1, 2, 3 months, into gain experience via internship, via volunteer jobs, or as an ambassador for that crypto company. Just look for the crypto company that you're looking for experience in, and you will get that experience free, like on a platter of gold. So don't say you don't have an experience. You can get the experience that you need to land you your next high-paying crypto job. Next mistake that you must make sure that you avoid this way too. But before we get to that, let me just point out something to you. An opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. Many persons don't want to do the work, but they want to earn the money. They don't want to do the work. Your work should be able to go ahead of you and present the value you can offer. Many people have missed so many opportunities. You saw people spend lots of time on their phone, on their smartphones. In fact, literally, the young persons of this age have smartphones, but they are missing the massive opportunities available in their smartphones because those opportunities are dressed in overalls that looks like work. Do not be among that category. Now, in this era, we even have play to earn. Many persons spend 24 hours playing games without even making money out of it. But now the crypto space have made it possible that you can earn money, you can earn crypto while you play games. Yet some persons will still not seize this opportunity. Do not be among the persons who have internet, a smartphone, and yet cannot make money in this age. Money is behind work. You have to put in the work to get the money. And then there's what we call the difference between hard work and smart work. Make sure you're doing the smart work. Crypto gives you the opportunity to do smart work. You do the smart work and you earn loads of cash. Now, the last mistake you should avoid in this 2022 is not staying updated on crypto trends. If you're in an industry, in a workspace, you must stay updated about that space. And in this scenario is the crypto space. We are in a trend. If you're a writer, you need to change your terminologies, update your terminologies about crypto trends. Like right now, Metaverse, gaming, Web3, and all of that. You need to know what is going on. So you must stay updated on trends. You must be in the in-game. That's where your lingo will be updated, and it will reflect in your. If you're a content writer, if you're a content creator, you need to be someone who stays updated with trends, because technologies keeps getting updated in this crypto space. Trends keep coming out in this crypto space, so make sure you invest. It's staying updated is not really hard as long as you're online. And then these days the internet even helps us to aggregate our feeds based on what we search more often. If you search about crypto stuff more often, it will just keep coming up as pop-ups, as notifications for you, and it wouldn't be hard for you to keep updated. Some apps can even also help you keep updated, like Lunar Crush, for example, is an example of app that can help you keep updated on crypto trends. So an investment in knowledge pays the best interest, according to Benjamin Franklin. Do not miss high-paying job opportunities that are available in the crypto space because of these mistakes, and then you say, oh, you're unlucky. You're not unlucky. You're just not delivering the opportunities available for you. So, what are other mistakes that you discovered that you made in 2021 that you want to correct in 2022? Do share with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with someone. And don't forget that we offer specialized trainings in how to get crypto jobs, because we have myriads of testimonials to back our trainings up. So if you need testimonials, you drop a comment in the comment section and we'll get right to you. Thank you.